Hi. Are you looking to grow your email marketing list? Are you wondering how you can make the messages you send higher converting? Are you thinking about doing some automated trigger series, but you're not quite sure where to start or what emails to put in and what sequence? Then have I got a webinar series for you. My name is Jean Jennings. I'm a recognized expert in the email marketing industry, and I am so excited to be partnering with LearnWorlds for a series of webinars to help you address those three key issues in your email marketing campaign and more. Basically, this 3-webinar series is going to help you make your email marketing program more effective and more profitable. And it's all presented by LearnWorlds. It's taking place the first week in August 2021. So please plan to join us. We're going to have case studies. We're going to have real world examples. We're going to give you the standards and the best practices, basically everything you need to take your email marketing program to the next level. I hope to see you there. Take care. Bye.